So many of you may be familiar with the show Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. It's a show that aired here in the US for, I don't know, 30 or 40 years. And one of the songs that Mr. Rogers was very fond of singing is "It's a Beautiful Day in the Neighborhood." And I've been humming that as I was setting this box on the table because I'm excited to unbox these. These are the latest from Q Acoustics, the 3030i bookshelf speakers. So let's get to it. Before we get too far into this video, if you enjoyed this type of content, please click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be alerted anytime we upload new content. So here they are, the 3030i's from Q Acoustics. Q Acoustics sells a line of speakers known as the 3000i line of speakers, and I happen to like that lineup. I have several videos and you can look in the description below for links to those videos. Now, these are bookshelf speakers and these are the largest set of bookshelf speakers in that lineup. They have a 6.5-inch driver similar to the 3050i floor standing speakers, and so they should have some pretty decent bass. So I'm really looking forward to it. And honestly, I'm going to stop there and just start really tearing open this box. But before I do, as you can see here, you got speakers on the front of this box. So if you have them delivered to your home, you want to make sure you're home so no one steals them off your porch. The box itself weighs, I don't know, about 35 pounds or so. So if you have trouble carrying that much weight, make sure you get some help. But otherwise, I was able to carry this up the stairs by myself with no issues. Otherwise, I am really excited. So let's go ahead and let's get in this box. Ah, yeah. Fresh box. So as you can see, you've got the manual on the top of the box, and this is the 3000i series manual. Styrofoam here that says Q Acoustics right there. And then you have these mammoth, and I mean mammoth bookshelf speakers. These things are quite large. And finally, you have the foam plugs that you can put in the base ports if you need to. The 3030i is the latest and largest bookshelf speaker in the Q Acoustics 3000i lineup. It is a two-way speaker that features a 0.9-inch tweeter and a 6.5-inch woofer. The frequency response is 46 Hz to 30,000 Hz. It has a sensitivity of 88 dB and a nominal impedance of 6 ohms. It is 13 inches tall, 7.9 inches wide, and 12.8 inches deep. Each speaker weighs 13.7 pounds and the pair costs $399. Okay, so let's talk about my initial impressions. And first and foremost, these things look fantastic. I have them here in the English walnut surface finish, and I like this surface finish because it's a wood grain look and it has depth to the grain, and it looks really good on this cabinet. Now, I have English walnut on my 3010i's, which is a smaller version of this, and I was a little concerned that the bigger version might not look as good, but I definitely think it looks just as good, if not better. Now, I did review the 3020i's very recently, and I got those in Arctic White, and I really like Arctic White. I really like that surface finish, and I think that Arctic White in these would also look fantastic. So I would recommend either one of those two colors. Now, these 3030i's are a part of the 3000i lineup, so they have the same features in that they have the magnetically attached grills, the tweeter driver design down here, they've got the port on the back, and you've also got the low profile binding post. So that's going to be similar, but you've got this new big woofer here that I'm looking to try out, and I will be talking about it in my full review. Expect to see that review in about a week, maybe a week and a half. Until then, why don't you drop your questions and comments in the comment section below. Also, like and subscribe. And if you want to purchase this or anything else from Q Acoustics, why don't you use those links in the description below. I'm really excited. I'm going to go ahead and plug these in and start breaking them in, and I'm going to get to it. So thank you guys for watching. We'll talk to you next time.